Hey, it's me, Mario, and I want to introduce you to our done-for-you agency marketing kit. It consists of marketing material created to sell your services in the most impressive way possible. Now that you own this software application and possibly many of the upgrades, it's time to present your services to prospects with style. This is where the professional marketing kit for agencies comes in, 100% done for you. We created this as the fastest way to impress your prospects and leads. Each marketing resource was created specifically to sell the service, and every feature included in your brand new application. Convert even more leads into clients with our authority building, professional and impressive agency marketing kit. The best way to impress prospects is to have professional resources you can send them via email or direct mail, positioning you as the ultimate authority in your niche and allowing your agency to charge premium prices. We paid high-end graphic designers and copywriters to create the ultimate client attraction kit for your agency, allowing you to convert prospects into paying customers quickly. Plus, it will help you to take your business brand to a whole new level. This, for example, is the first page of our brochure that you can fully customize. You can change the graphics, you can change the copy and customize this to represent your business. This is an example of the invoice that we're giving you that you can also fully customize. We're even adding a professional agreement that you can use with your prospects and your clients so that everyone is on the same page and everyone is protected. Here's an example of the banner ads that we created that you can fully customize to represent your services and your agency. The image, the copy, everything, the call to action, even the buttons, you can customize everything to your liking. What you just saw just scratches the surface. Here are just some of the things you're getting. You get a 100% done-for-you professional PowerPoint presentation and proposal for agency services and optimization. Look, presentation matters a lot in local marketing. Just present this convincing presentation and your prospects will be blown away. It comes loaded with stunning infographics and statistics specifically designed to convince your prospects why they need help right now. You also get an incredible 100% done for you agency website. This right here is just one little part of the agency website that you get. It's already loaded with relevant content, but you can of course customize it absolutely to your liking. So as I said, your website is already filled with all the relevant content you need and it's professionally designed as well. You'll be completely ready to go and ready to present your business with authority. And of course, to sell your brand new agency services. You also get print-ready commercial graphics and illustrations. A full set of stunning and high-quality designs, 100% customizable to your heart's desire. Letterheads, business cards, brochures, and even invoices, you name it. All customized to sell your new agency services. You'll have an incredibly powerful and professional marketing toolbox at your disposal in minutes. You also get our done-for-you email sequences, professionally written and ready to mail. Each email was crafted to convert prospects into paying clients. And to really make this a complete deal, we are also including a high-converting telemarketing script. Each script was designed to sell you new agency services on the phone. They will allow you or your salesperson to sell more, to charge more, and to convert more. Now, to make this a total no-brainer, we are including a very special bonus as well. Our brand new and animated agency sales video. We paid thousands to get the sales video done, and you can use it in your marketing starting today. There's nothing more powerful and engaging than video. You already know that. Use it on your sales page, run video ads, YouTube ads, post it on social media. The opportunities are endless. Last but not least, you're also getting a professional contract you can use with clients. As you can see, our marketing kit is the real deal for serious agencies and marketers. Just imagine how much time and especially money you will save having every tool ready in just seconds from now. Or how much money you would need to spend on a graphics designer and copywriter to create everything from scratch. Thousands of dollars. But not today. We have it all ready for you on a silver platter. This kit plus your brand new software gives you a full-blown agency on the spot. So let's recap everything you get today. An incredible PowerPoint and keynote presentation, a professional proposal, stunning ready-made agency website, pro letterhead and business cards, well-designed brochure and invoices, done for you email sequence, professional phone and in-person sales scripts, and as a bonus, our brand new animated sales video. This can be all used in just seconds from now. Fair warning though, this deal is only good during this launch special. And every day during this launch, the price for this incredible package goes up, no exceptions. Of course, you're also covered by a rock-solid, no questions asked money-back guarantee. So take action right now, seize this opportunity with both hands and start generating profits immediately. Sign up right now before this launch special is over and this deal is gone.